Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this beautiful brand new listing for $1.8 million here in sunny San Diego, specifically in Del Mar. It is currently almost 90 degrees, well, about 80, but throughout San Diego it's very hot. There is a heat wave. But with that being said, I'm gonna show you this property and I want you to tell me what you think of the location, price, and if you would buy this home. So with that being said, my name is Alex Trubnikov. I'm a local real estate agent here in sunny San Diego. As you can see, beautiful neighborhood, very quiet. I'm gonna show you the home. So did I mention how quiet it is already? So you have this property right here, which I'm gonna show you. It is a corner lot, but it's very private inside, which I'm gonna show you. Those homes have a really nice view of the Del Mar, and that way is the beach. So you're about 5 minutes away from the beach, very close by. So this home is freshly painted outside, inside. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,400 square feet. As you can see, you have a little bit of an area to hang out right up front. Let's go inside and check out the home. So we're gonna go, because it's been busy open house, I'm gonna show you the entrance a little later. I'm gonna show you the bedrooms first. So you do have, from what I know, brand new or newly washed carpet. So if you don't like the carpet, I completely understand. You can always replace it or put in the offer, but those are the little details. This is your second bedroom. Very interesting. If I was the owner, I would take this down. I think you would make the room look a lot bigger. But again, like, you have amazing schools here. You are in Del Mar, so the zip code is very convenient. You have Whole Foods nearby, Trader Joe's, you're close to Carmel Valley. What else? I mean, location-wise, Del Mar is one of the best in sunny San Diego. So this is your master, very large. I think it has a lot of potential. Let's see, you got the closets. I think they're original too. And then you have the bathroom here and shower. That's brand new. What else? So they did some work to it. I mean, I can tell. It was built in the 70s, 1970. What's this? Interesting. But the pool I'm gonna show you very shortly. So this is your second living area with the kitchen right here. Very nice. New appliances. The kitchen is facing the pool, which I think is a little touch that every parent is gonna like, especially if your kids are going to the pool or having a pool day. Second living area space. And you have a beautiful deck right here. I think this is brand new too. Such a small detail and not even that expensive, but it makes a whole lot of difference. That is beautiful. It's good that it's outside too. They fenced out the pool equipment, which I appreciate that. So it's out of your sight. But this is your pool area, which is, again, very quiet. You want to entertain your family over here, you can have some barbecue outside. If you have the little kids that want to sit down right there, they can. The pool looks very good right now, especially how hot it is outside. The roof looks brand new. I think it is brand new too. And you also have security system right here. What a beautiful sunny day. So what do you guys think? 1.8, well, it's listed at 1.8, but they have offers between 1.8 and 1.9. I cannot disclose, but it is over asking. Location wise is amazing. There are not many properties for sale here that are under 2 million. This home is a little bit small. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, but as you can see, the exterior, everything, they took really good care of it. You just need to, if you want to remove the carpet or you want to fix up the kitchen a little bit, you can potentially maybe even extend it and make the home a little bit bigger. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And again, my name is Alex Trubnikov. I'm a local real estate agent here in sunny San Diego. If you are looking to buy or sell, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to give you more information about this property or any other properties that are on the market or the ones that we have off market. We currently have over 80 homes that are not on the market, that are here for sale in sunny San Diego. And I'm gonna leave all my information in the description of this video. So feel free to contact me, call me, email me, or text me. With that being said, it's a beautiful day, but I'm gonna go in the car because it's too hot. До свидания.